Hi everyone, my name is Naima Asari. Today I'm going to give my presentation on persuasive speech. I'm going to persuade my audience that installing smoke detectors at home can bring security from fire. Fire can strike anywhere and anytime. According to a statistic from Fire and Rescue Department, in year 2016, 5,485 premises were destroyed by fire. These were involving private houses, offices, factories, schools, and shop houses. In average, about 15 cases of fire occur every day in our country. This graph shows that from the 5,485 cases, 1,020 of the cases will occur in Selangor. I believe you still remember the recent fire tragedy that broke out in a religious school in Datuk Keramat, Kuala Lumpur. It killed 21 students and 2 teachers, while 6 other students were injured. The whole country was filled with so much grief at